Suha has a full 600 milliliter bottle of wallpaper remover. She's going to mix some of it with water. Here is the information on the bottle. So we've got the 600 milliliter bottle and we're told that you need to mix a quarter of it with 4,500 milliliters of water. Suha is going to use 750 milliliters of water. How much of the bottle should she use? So from these instructions, it says a quarter of the remover. So a quarter of 600 is 150. So 150 milliliters of remover with 4,500 milliliters of water. Okay, that's what the instructions say. Suha is only going to use 750 milliliters of water though, so she's not going to use this full amount. Now remember, we don't have a calculator for this, so we need to use some proportional reasoning to do this. So let's try and make this number smaller to get to 750. If I were to divide this by 3, so if I was to only use 1,500 milliliters of water, then I would also divide this by 3, and I would just have 50 milliliters of remover. But again, notice we're not using 1,500. The reason I did that is because that's pretty easy now for me to say, well, I know I need to half that to get 750 milliliters. So again, I need to use half of this, which is 25. So she's going to need to use 25 milliliters of remover with 750 milliliters of water, and then that will be the same proportion as using 150 milliliters with 4,500.